Multi-calendar page. How to use additional settings. If you navigate to 3 dots button on multi-calendar page, you will find additional settings which you can use. You will see a drop-down with 4 settings which you can enable or disable for your dashboard and listings. The first option is Show Child Listings. If it is turned on, then the child listings will be visible on the dashboard, and if you only want parent listings to be seen on multi-calendar page, then unselect this option. The second option helps us highlight the dates with date-specific overrides with a small triangle at the top. You can also turn this off when not required by unselecting the option, and turn back on when required. The third option allows us to check the booking information for the dates which are booked. It will show the check-in date for the booking and the dates which are booked. You can also turn it off when you don't want the booking information to appear on multi-calendar page. The fourth option helps us show the unbookable days on the multi-calendar page due to minimum stay or check-in check-out restrictions set in PriceLabs. It will be indicated with a red symbol.